the Yinzers out there. Welcome back to DIYNAT. Got a quick tip for you. If you have to screw some boards together, sometimes it's difficult to hold them in proper alignment. Now they do make clamps that are specifically designed to hold these together while you do it, but sometimes you don't have them handy, or you don't have them at all. So when you're trying to put the screw in, it's kind of difficult because basically you need three hands. You have one hand to hold the two boards in alignment, and one to hold the screw, and one to hold the impact drivers. So if you have a finish nailer or a brad nailer, what you can do is take that and just drive a nail in it, and that will hold it together while you put the screws in. So this way you can have both hands free, and you might have to put a couple of them in depending on the size of the items you're putting together to hold it properly. So that's one way to do this. And even if you're putting together some heavier items like two 2x4s together, you would never depend on a finish nail to hold that together. However, if you get the longer finish nails, they will hold the thing temporarily in place while you put the screws in. So it's a very useful thing to. It's a very useful tip if you do in fact have a nail gun or a brad nailer. So appreciate you watching as always. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we will see you next time.